check out this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's the Willys package, 4x4 in Billet Silver Metallic, and this thing has just over 90,000 miles on the clock. It's packing that 2-liter turbo engine, which would be my choice. This thing gets great gas mileage, especially for something shaped like a brick. 8-speed automatic, Command-Trac 4-wheel drive, and it's got the skid plates underneath, and you saw those Moab black 17-inch wheels. It's so good. You can see the odometer. Factory Willys package is going to give you the black grille, the rock rails, LED lighting, decals, and all weather floor mats that are all ready for the trail. It's got that Uconnect screen in the middle, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto remote, keyless entry. Of course, it's going to have a backup camera as well, power windows, and automatic climate control. And yep, it's got that 3-piece black hardtop as well. 3 in the back seat with the 4-door Jeep. The Unlimited package gets you a 5-seater, trail-rated, adventure-ready SUV. That's a nice little accessory there, a little trail table. And you can see a little bit of storage there in the back as well, and some underfloor storage as well. Come check this thing out, Next Level in Hillsboro.